Hi ladies, this is Sophie from MindBarretty. Today I would like to share you my new journal that I finished, and I use digital kit of Playtime 1 and Playtime 2. So I would put the link below if you would like to purchase this one. So if you didn't subscribe my video, so please subscribe and please click like if you like my video. And thank you for watching, and thank you for all of your kind comments. So I'm going to start. This one is a normal size. My journal normally I have just one size. It's like 8 and also 8-inch plus times 5.5. And this one is a paper of 150 grams, which I print out in the laser printer because I want the vibrant color or the image of my digital kit to come out. And I use a wax thread binding, which is in a shocking pink color. I think it's matched with this theme very well. And the cover, if you see, is like a hardboard. My cover is hardboard. I love it because the binding is sturdy by itself, and also I want everything to be sturdy and to be useful in real life. And this one is about 190 pages. There are lots of blank pages, which I'm going to put this one on sale in my Etsy. So it's up to my customer to decorate everything on her own or his own. So without further ado, the cover, this one I just came up just like I want to stitch around the edge of the cover and also as well at the back, because it reminds me of the blanket. So this one is like a children theme, and this kit, it remind me of when I was young and I'm surrounded by friends and playing tic-tac-toes and everything for the whole day. So this one is a good journal to keep memories. And if you see, this one is like a tic-tac-toe, so I will show you the binding that I use for this book. Of course, I use a normal one. It's a Coptic binding and a French binding together. So these two is the Coptic. Here you go. Is see closely, and in the middle is like a French Coptic. It's very sturdy, and also at the back, also I just put like this stitch at the corner of the back cover. And when I just open, it's just stand like this because it's very thick journal. So this is the inside page, and also I put like some tuck spot here with the tag. This one I just put like the glitter around the corner, and also on every page, if you see, I have like some glitter on each page. That means I put some glitter on it. And I ink up all, actually it's torn all the page with my hand to make it like a vintage look, and also ink up the edge with the distress ink of Tim Holtz. Moreover, I just this is the cream color paper, which I mixed with the brown color. And also I have yeah, just only these two papers, just only cream color because it's matched this theme, and also with the brown color. So I leave all the page blank, like what I said before. So I will flip to very fast, because on each of signature there are a total of 4 pages, so it's about 16 pages in one signature. If you see, like all the shimmer. I'm not sure the picture, I mean the camera will catch this one, but in real, when I touch it, when I see it, I see some glitter, which is very nice. And you see it's laying flat like a 180, so this one will give you lots of room to journal, to attach any children ephemera or the picture or anything. Just lay it flat, and yeah, it doesn't bother when you're writing this one. And you see, if you see this one, that means it's like a handbag, so it's take quite I mean sometimes to do it, because as what I said earlier, on each of journal I'm trying to keep every detail as much as possible, and I want the user who bought this one or the customer who bought this one enjoy on every page that I'm trying to do. And also for this one, back and forth, I just adhesive this one with PVA glue, so I have to wait for a couple days to when it dry, so that's why it's formed like it, and so it's thick. And this is the last page. I put an envelope that's come with this kit. It say dream away, and I put it so you can put anything here. And also look at the stitches, look nice. I love it. Yeah, so I will put this one in my Etsy shop below. So the one who bought this one, there are 2 ephemera, actually it's 3. One, this one is in the purple color of the shimmer, and this one is like a gold color at the back, so I will include this one in this kit. Also some trim that I bought in my local craft store, and I think it's fit with this theme very well, like some beads on here, like a wood bead. The color is matched, and also this one is trim. I don't know where to get this one, but I got this. It's in the local craft store. It's come like this, so I bought it, and I think it will be a good idea to put this one along with this journal. And also I love this one. So this one, so you can playing around with this one. And moreover, I'm going to give my printable for this kit, just some of them. This 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pages. So you can use this one to playing anything, or you can create anything with this digital kit. Okay, after this video is uploaded, you will see this journal in my Etsy shop. Okay, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Thank you all. Bye bye.